Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about SOFI. Now, for those of you that don't know what this app is, the app is an amazing financial tool that really allows beginners and people to keep all of their finances all in one place. They're a stockbroker, you can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies, they have a credit card, they have a money management program. You can check and activate and really look at your credit score. So the app is free, so there's no hidden cost or anything like that. And in my opinion, I think it's fantastic. So now let's actually go ahead and look at the app and I'll give you guys my opinion about it. Let's go. Now, as we load up the app, you guys can see that they have the investment, they have money, credit card, you can track all of your finances, and you can track your credit score. We continue to scroll down and you guys can view your watch list. So all the stocks that you actively want to buy in the future or you just want to keep an eye on, you can keep them all in one place on your watch list. I think that's really cool, very similar to a lot of other brokers, but as we go back to the home screen, they have another investment feature. This is the top market mover. So these are going to be the more volatile stocks. We continue to scroll down, they have rewards, and you can set up cryptocurrency so you guys can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, and a variety of other cryptos. I think this is really interesting because honestly, everybody always likes to buy and sell crypto on Robinhood or Coinbase or companies like that, but this is really cool because you can keep everything all in one place. You can keep your money management, you can keep your checkings account, your credit card, all in one app so you don't have to be actively going through it. As we go down, you guys can see that you can link all of your other credit cards. So even if you have it, let's just say an American Express credit card, you can link it to the app so you can keep track of pretty much how much you're spending and overall, you know, keep track of it to help your credit score. So they do have a rewards program, and honestly, you guys can get a couple bucks just by signing up. It's not a promo, but it's just a little affiliate link. Check it out. So as we click the money management app, this is going to be pretty much like a checkings account. So there's no hidden account fees. You can send money to friends and family, and honestly, it's a membership. You can access a variety of things that help you in your finances. I think that's really cool, and you can open an account at no cost. Now, the biggest thing and something that I think is really interesting is their credit card. Their credit card's really sweet because you can use the points to actually cash in on crypto. So you automatically get a 2% cash back, and you can use that to get more cryptocurrency. So it's like you spend money to get investments. I think that's really cool. But anyways, you guys can see that there's no hidden annual fee, no hidden fees, and if you pay it on time, it drops your APR by 1%. I think that's cool. It incentivizes you to keep paying your credit card, which is very important. And they have a variety of other things, no foreign transaction fees, and a really cool thing is they have a $1,000 cell phone protection, almost like a little insurance, and obviously identity theft protection. So honestly, we'll do a video about that. I'll sign up and we can get it. But now the biggest thing that I actively use this app and I plan on using it for, because we're gonna be doing a swing trading challenge on the channel, but it's the investment feature. So as we scroll up, you guys can see that I put $10 in it, but then I also got $5 just by signing up because they have this little like drop claw where you can pick and get a couple bucks free. But you guys can see that they make everything very easy, nothing overwhelming on the investment side. And if you don't know anything about stocks, they have the Investment 101 where you can read it and learn more about different stocks, bonds, CDs, ETFs, mutual funds, all of that. Now, as we go back, you guys can see that they have most of the market indexes. So the market indexes is pretty much going to be how the market's performing today. So they have the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and the NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000, oil, gold, and a lot of other commodities. So you guys can see today was a little bit of a mixed day. More of the NASDAQ stocks were up, so more tech was up today. S&P 500 and the Dow Jones were both down. So now we have the pending stocks that I'm buying. So you guys can see I'm buying some SOFI, 10 bucks, can't beat it. And then I am buying some Nvidia at $5 there. So then we have the watch list, and if you guys wanted to, you know, order them by dollar or all of that. And then another really cool thing that they have is you can keep track of what other investors are doing or what your friends doing. It's really cool. So if that's, say I wanted to look at this dude's stocks, all I do is click on his profile. You guys can see all of the stocks that he is actively buying. So another thing is, if you have no idea what stocks you want to buy, they have a popular stock thing. So you guys can see Tesla is the more popular stock on here, and then they have Amazon, Apple, and a variety of other apps or stocks on here. I think that's really sweet. And then they have a variety of ETFs down here on the bottom. Not to mention, this is more than just the standard Robinhood or TD Ameritrade app. It's a little bit of everything, right? They have a hands-on feature for your retirement. So if you wanted to open up a Roth IRA, you can do that. That's a huge thing compared to Robinhood, because Robinhood is just a standard broker's account. And they have loans. So if you wanted to get some sort of loan, honestly, it'd be really interesting to put it all in one place so you can check rates and have everything all in one platform. I think that's the biggest key for this, is you don't have to have multiple different bank accounts or brokers accounts or IRAs. Everything's all in one place. Now, who would I recommend this app for? That's the biggest thing. I would recommend this app for somebody who doesn't know much about finances, because you will be able to keep everything all in one place. You'll be able to see what other people are buying. You'll be able to buy ETFs, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, all of those things, pay $0 in commission, and dabble a little bit in cryptocurrency. Not to mention, guys, they have the amazing credit card, they have the loan feature, they have the checkings account. I think that's people that don't know much about finances are gonna get the biggest value out of this. But people that like to be a little particular about their finances are gonna find this app awesome, but there could be better opportunity elsewhere. Obviously, with this app, this isn't gonna be an app that I would recommend day trading from, because you need better charts. It's not gonna be an app that I would highly recommend for people that have hundreds or millions of dollars, because you can get better software or better charting somewhere else. This is going to be perfect for the average person that just wants to invest $10 a week, $1 a day, or something along those lines. That's where I think the biggest value is going to be out of this. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall I hope you guys got something of value, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe. Take care.